So we have to come back live again on the USD JPY. We are here live again, USD JPY. This is Monday. This is Monday, May 5, 2025. The market just got opened. So what we are doing now is just to, make a very quick analysis of where this market is going. Maybe we just going to follow this one like, I don't know, till the trend lasts. Yeah, maybe till the trend lasts. It's going to be good to follow this one till the end of the trend from where it is right now. I realized that in our last live analysis, at least where we place a kind of buy, okay, 142 point something, the market got to 145 point something, and now it's changing to sell. You always need to understand that the market goes up and down. The market will always go up and down. Welcome, welcome. As you are coming in, please share the video, give us a thumbs up. We are analyzing the USD JPY for May 5, 2025. Okay, so what I'm trying to say here is that the market will always go up and down. So whenever we give you analysis, we can give you like take profit up to 3 levels. When we give you take profit up to 3 levels, when you get into your entry, you watch it. It will cross some certain levels where you need to lock break even so that you can protect your money. You always need to learn how to lock break even. When the price have gone in your favor and you are making profit, try to lock break even. Lock it up. Take your stop loss, bring it above your entry to lock little profit first. Because the price will always get somewhere, then it will reverse. Okay? Let me tell you one thing about Forex. Looking at the bigger chart, that chart has where it is going. Okay? It has where it is going. From the daily, it has where it's going. To the 4 hours, it has where it's going. To the 1 hour, it has where it's going. 30 minutes has where it's going. 1 minute has where it's going. They will go up, down, up, down, up, down, until the day they will all align with the daily and make a big moves to exactly where daily is going. So when we give you signal, the first thing you want to think about is when this signal has gone in my favor, I need to lock break even. Take your stop loss, lock it above your entry so that you can secure little profit first and let the market continue to run. This is why we are even so lucky in our last analysis of buy. When we call for buy, the market got to all the three take profit, 144 point something, but now the market, turn around at 145 point something, right? 145 point something. At least you made profit. I made profit. But I know everybody made profit. Now, but I'm giving you a new tip because I know here there are some beginners, they need tip. They need tip. They need to grow and be a professional, So this is why in my video, you can see me always, I give them a new tip of what to do in any situation. As a beginner, now on this channel, you know how to place your trades. You know how to get a good signal, right? Now, the next thing you need to know now is what I'm telling you. Thank you for liking. Thank you for liking. I love that. I love that energy from you guys. This is why I always come out to even have energy to give you more of what you need. Now, see, once I give you a signal, my signal will definitely go. This is one thing you need to know. For people that have been following me for so long, my signal will definitely go. But when it's gone, you as a beginner, you see, take your stop loss, place it above that your entry to lock some profit and let everything continue, because that price will get to somewhere and then change direction. Mind you, I am not following candlestick. I am not following candlestick. So that's why you can see those big profits you are making. Because I am not following candlestick. I am following something called a trend. Okay, I'm following trend, not candlestick. This secret I'm giving you, you cannot apply it on a signal based on candlesticks. Okay, because if you look at the candles, you know, even the candles will jump to a direction, they pull back. If you can notice this from a candle, that when it goes, it comes back. See, what that candle is doing is the picture of the bigger chart. That is what the big chart is doing. Okay, so we are not going to waste time today. As I'm talking now, please, guys, be on your chart, or you take your piece of paper. See, the USD JPY now on the 1 hour time frame is touching a level now, right now. This level, if it's broken, it is a sell. So, based on my own signal that I always give you guys, this level needs to be broken before we accept a sell. But now, all the signal we are using has given us a sell indicator, which means we are waiting for a sell entry. You understand? Everything. Now, so what we're going to do is, based on what I've done, okay, I've placed a sell on 143.469. Okay, 143.469. I have placed a sell stop order on that place, on that level. That is another level. If this current level is broken, that is the next level that the price will go and break. And this level I'm talking about, price always break it into profit. There's no slowdown, there's no pullback of candle. Price do always go break it into profit. This is why I put my own sell stop entry on 143.469. Write it down, 143.469. That is where we put a sell stop order. That is number one. You are welcome, everybody, man. I greet you, man. You know, sorry, I never greet you guys while you were coming in. I was carried away also, you know, carried away, man, because this requires a kind of fast attention, because any moment from now, this is going to move, and I don't want you guys to miss. I liked and subbed. Okay, thank you, Mapleo 5012. Thank you so much, man. I appreciate you. You understand? This is what I always tell guys to do. When you come on the platform like this, don't just come. Don't just come. Don't just come. Come. Subscribe. Subscribe and like. Do something. Okay, click notification bell. Notification bell, put alert to all, so that when we come out again, you will be here so quick. No? When we come out again, you will be here so quick. You know? If you don't like to go and be playing a rewatch of the life, be here so quick. Now, who is this? Hi. James, I greet you, man. I greet everybody saying hi. Warren, Shout out to you, Warren. Thank you, okay, and everybody that I've not mentioned their name. So that is entry number one. We got that entry number one. Price will break it into profit. So if you are this guy that your account is very small, I will advise you, just take that entry number one, just 1% of what your account balance is. Like I always say, don't risk more than 1%. Don't be greedy. Take that entry number one and forget about every other thing. You know, if your account is big, okay, that you feel like, okay, you want to split your lot size into two, then you want to make it half. You see the kind of advice I'm giving you guys. If your account is big, okay, that you feel like, okay, this is what I want to risk, but instead of me to risk it on only one entry, let me split it into two, so that, you know, at least when the first entry is going to be in profit, you have covered half profit, right? Then you are only waiting for the second one to activate and go and give you profit. That is what you are waiting for. You know, it's a smart idea to not put your egg in just one basket, which is what I did, okay, and which is what I always do. See, the second entry is when that entry number one is broken, it's going to the entry number two, which is going to be at 142.317. 142.317. That is also a sell stop order. 142.317. That is the entry number two, sell stop. If you are just coming, it will be good for you to, you know, watch the replay, okay, because it's not okay for me to repeat a lot of things, but let me just do a little repetition. Entry number one on the USD JPY, sell stop order, put it on 143.469. 143.469. Sell it, sell stop. Entry number two is 142.317. Sell stop. Okay, so what about the take profit? Where do we exit? See, let us exit 140.589. Exit, take profit, final exit 140.589. 140.589 is the final exit point. You see, something always happen at this final exit point. Okay, if the price get there, the price will trend. It will trend before the trend will now change. That is going to be where the final sell rally is going to happen. Then the price will prepare to change, you know, to change to the up direction. We are looking at it. All our eyes, our tools, our indicators, our whistle blower, all eyes on USD JPY. You understand? We can't miss anything. You understand? So, best tip to take home, best advice to take home for you guys. Once you are making profit in one, lock up the break even, so to secure your profit and let it run. You know, let me tell you exactly how you will lock that break even in a way that, you know, you'll be like, you have a kind of rest of mind that it will not come and knock you out of, you know, a good moves. You know, sometimes the price will do that, especially when you are operating with candlestick pattern. It always do that, where it will come back, knock you out, then it goes. You understand? And when you re-enter, man, you're going to re-enter on a very big loss retracement. You understand? You don't want that to happen to you. You want to be in a winning trade, right? Now, what you're going to do is that, you see, this entry number two, right? This entry number 2, which is 142.317. When price gets there, oh, when price get there, that is when you lock your break even. You can lock half of the distance between entry 1 and entry 2. Lock half of it. Okay, lock half of it. That is a good profit you have secured in that level, you know. So that is it for today, man. You know, today, that is it for today. As you see me heading or preparing to go out, don't worry, guys. You might say, if I go out, how can I begin to notice all the changes that will happen on this chart? Don't worry. Everything is on my phone. Alert, everything is coming on. I know what is going on. Any little moves, I know what message that is. You know, you are all secured, man. So secured, man. You understand? Everybody, please like this video, like it, like and share. So I don't know if anybody have any question to type. Anybody have any question to type? If you have any question, you can type it so that we can just begin to answer your question little by little, one by one. I don't know what your problem, what problem you have. You know, most of you are not new to Forex. Most of you knows about Forex. Most of you knows, but maybe some kind of knowledge you don't have. That is where you have problem, you know. Now I gave you 2 tips here today. I gave you 2 tips. That's why I said, when you come on this channel, you are not coming for nothing. You are taking idea, knowledge home, you know, which you're going to go apply it. That one you learn today, apply it. When the level is broken and you are in a profit, if that level number 2 entry is broken, lock half of your entry. Lock half. You have secured a good profit. You understand? When the market change direction, I will also come here to come and let you know, to come and analyze that one for you, that yes, we got a change of direction. But in all my signal, before we ever get a change of direction, we have already closed profit, you know, because what we use here, what we use here is different from all these things they teach you somewhere, candlestick pattern, do this, do that, tweak something. No, we don't tweak anything. Everything is just here. We just need a sound. Boom. We need a bell to ring. Once the bell ring, we know what is going on. Ah, Wakanda forever, man. One love, man. Wakanda. Wakanda forever. You understand? We are winning. Okay? Wakanda forever, man. You know, so proud. I'm proud of that. That's why it's good. It's good. It's good. It's good. I love that. Wakanda forever, man. I love it. The power of the blacks. Anyway, love you all. Please, if you came late, watch the replay. All right? Watch the replay. I'm going out. I can't repeat anything right now. So, share this video. Next time when you guys are coming, please come with your friends. Let's grow. Let's grow. Okay? Let us grow. Go into the description of the video. I say this every time, you know, because me, you know, I will not be repeating myself. I've repeat myself on that a lot. You understand? So today I'm not going to talk about it. You understand? Maybe next time we talk about it, but not today. Under the description of that video. And when you are on this video, you see a join button. When you click it, that is the button you click to become a member of this channel, and that's the way you can support this channel. We don't need any other thing to do for you or whatever. This one we are doing also is something worth it for support. You understand? So that we can keep the vibes going. We can keep the vibes moving. You understand? you know. And when you like the video, just ordinary like alone, you know, it does a good thing. You know, it does a good thing. It's motivating. It's motivating the speaker here. You understand? So everybody, man, hey, take care. One love and goodbye, man. Goodbye.